Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. This time, we are going to discuss a case where a special judicial magistrate of second class has been convicted under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. You all know it is nothing but check bounce case. Definitely, even though you are a magistrate, as a civilian, when you take money from others, it is your bounden duty to repay the same. That's why, while discussing the topic of Nyayamu, Dharmamu, Chattamu, Nyayamu, Dharmamu, we told you. So, Chatta Prakaram, if it is over 3 months, 3 years, you cannot file any case. Nyayamu, you have to pay that money. Dharmamu, you have to pay that money with some more interest. But here, gone are the olden days, those are traditional days. Now, what happens is, whether you are a magistrate or whether you are anybody, definitely, if you take money, if you give a check, and if it is bounced, you are liable for punishment. Same thing happened with the special Jscm Chittor by name Mr. Prasad. It has come in the press. Otherwise, I would have not mentioned his name also. So, actually, this man belongs to Gangadhar Nellore district. Presently, he is working as special Jscm. What is this cadre? Normally, the JFCM or additional municipal magistrate, that is magistrate, then district judge cadre. These people are selected by the ABPSC and others or the High Court. But here, the special JSM are the persons who are appointed by the district collector on the recommendation of the district judge. Why? To clear the pendency of the petty cases. What are petty cases? If you go to section 206 of the CRPC, you will know what is a petty case. Petty cases are the offences where the punishment is less than 1000 rupees and normally you have to pay the fine only. Such cases are called as petty cases. So in such cases even you need not attend the court also. The 206 CRP says special summons in cases of petty offences. What is petty offence? Means any offence punishable only with fine not exceeding 1000 rupees, but does not include ME Act, all other things. So this is regarding petty offences. To clear up petty offences, what are the petty offences? Normally will be coming across the police booking nuisance cases, the police booking cases against the hawkers, police booking cases against the drunk and drive persons. All these cases come under petty cases and they are piling up. To clear up the pendency, this special GSM cadre post has been filled up, and normally the persons who worked as clerks in the judicial department, some advocates, some people who are interested to do the job, they will be appointed. So our Prasad might also be one of them. Basically, they should be lawyers. Definitely. He is a lawyer. Right. What happened is he has taken around 14 lakhs. I don't know how much amount he has taken, but he has issued a check for 14 lakhs to a person by name Subhash Jain. Maybe a Marwadi. Subhash Jain of Chittor area. So he has given a check. So it is a check. Then normally what happened, with a lot of hope that Subhash Jain has presented his it in his account branch. But after a couple of days, the account branch clearly sent a letter to him stating that there is no balance, insufficiency of funds. So many reasons are there. There are about 14 to 15 reasons. They will tick the reason. So normally insufficiency of funds like that, not accepted, like that. So many things will be there. So then what he has to do? He has to file a case. He filed a case of he filed a case under section 130 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. The case is going on. Now this man is special JFCM. The trial is conducted by excise court, excise magistrate Madam Hima Bindu. So the case might have been started in 2007 or 2008. Now very recently the judgment has come. So he was convicted because of the check bouncing and sentenced to 6 months simple imprisonment. At the same time, within a month, he has to repay the amount. So this is the decision. Why I am making this video is, so you must exhibit the so-called dignity. When you are a magistrate, no doubt, magistrate is also a common person, definitely takes money, he has to suffer the so-called sentencing. But when you are a magistrate, why we are giving so much of sanctity to the magistrate? For example, if an FIR is sent, express FIR is sent to the magistrate, if he signs it and puts a time, then it is 100% sanctified. Nobody can say that he has put anti-date or anti-time or past time. So that is the sanctity given to the post of a magistrate. So definitely people in public life, they must maintain that dignity. Had he repaid that 14 lakhs or had he compromised with this man, this news would have come into existence. Very sorry state of affairs. So this is what is called judicial misconduct. So don't do that. If any officer sees it, definitely, people, you must also understand how the people will look into it. No doubt, he is not a regular magistrate, but still people think that Jscm means magistrate. So magistrates also will do things like this. So this is the impression they get, which a bad impression which should not happen. But anyway, more than this, I don't want to tell. Thank you.